Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share part 2 of my Dollarama haul, and it's the Christmas, holiday, winter themed. So I got these cute little clips, and let me just see if I can pull that off here. And they are like gold glittered flowers, and they have that little clip on the back. And I thought they were super adorable, and you get 6 of them for $1.50, so you really can't go wrong there. So I got those. I bought these styrofoam foam balls here, so you get 8 of them for $1.25. That's not bad. Not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. Over the previous years, I've always done Christmas ornaments and that, and then I never have the foam balls that when I want to use them. So I said, I'm going to get them this year, and watch, I probably won't use them. But at least I'll have them for next year. And then I saw these little glitter. Let's see if they have what. They're just decorative pieces, and they're just the little gold balls, and they have the green stem on them. They were $1.50. And I can add them. I could cut the stem off if I need to. I found this. Isn't this so pretty? And it says sparkle all the way. I thought that was super adorable. And I could add more things to it if I wanted to, or keep as is. But I thought that would be a great, where it's like a shadow box. It would be great to send someone in Happy Mail or something like that. I thought that was really super pretty. I was looking for the gold, but they didn't have any of these in gold. So I bought that. Then I found these. They're ugly sweater patches. Now, I'm going to use it for something different. I thought they have pins on the back, and so that you can pin them onto your shirt as opposed to iron them on or sewing them on. But I'm probably going to add them to cards. I thought there's a variety of them in here. So let me just show you. They're not, this box is different than the other one. So, so look at all the pieces you get in there. Let's just open the other one so I can quickly show you. So you get 5 pieces of each. Like, those are super, super cute. You add that onto some cards. Nothing wrong with that at all. Look at all the pieces you get. And they're sewn, like they're not like cheap quality at all. It's like the felt on the back, and they're actually sewn. Like, if you get, I don't know if you can see that close enough, but you can see right down the brown. Really, really nicely done. So I'm thinking of taking the back off and then putting them onto a card or something instead. So I thought for $3.50, that's not bad. I probably hauled these already, but these are the snowmen stickers. And they were $1.25, and I think you get like 5 or 6 pieces in that. And then the rest are stickers I showed in the part 1. I think I did haul these already. Well, in part 1, I just didn't add it to it. So that one was already shown. But then I found these 2 as well. Look how adorable those colors are, and they are. This has got the wire piece on it, and they're dimensional, so they're really great quality. I'm looking forward to putting those on cards. Like this has, like a little star there, and it has a ribbon there, and this one has wire coming out of the ornament. Really, really nice. And they were only $1.50 each. Then I found these Christmas stickers, and they're all the ornaments, and those would probably be cute to hang, to put on cards. So I thought those would be great to use. I found these stickers, so I bought, I guess I didn't buy 2 of the, no, I guess I only bought 1 of the snowman here. And they're the puffy stickers. And then I bought 2 of each of these. So I thought those would be cute to add on to cards as well. And you think you get all those stickers for $1.25, and you can create so many cards using all this stuff, and different variety of cards. So that's not bad. And the last thing that I bought were more stickers. And these are chipboard stickers. So again, they're dimensional, but not as dimensional as the other ones. But they're super adorable too. And I only saw 2 themes on there, so I thought I will I must have only bought 1 of this one. I really like seeing the houses on them, so I'm shocked that I only bought 1. But that is the 2 different styles that I got. And again, they were only $1.25. So that is my Christmas winter holiday themed Dollarama haul. And of course, it's not even close to Christmas yet, but I am going to probably be buying more. And then at least I'll have my stock for next year and what have you, and maybe create all year long. So that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.